Did you know that Elon Musk, the tech tycoon famous for his contributions to space exploration, electric vehicles, and cryptocurrency, once questioned the lack of assassination attempts on President Joe Biden and Vice President Kamala Harris? Yes, you heard it right. This is just one example of the many controversial posts Musk has made on X, formerly known as Twitter, since its acquisition in 2022. Roll back the years to the point when Musk first acquired Twitter for $44 billion. The takeover led to a spike in hate speech on the platform, and Musk's handling of advertisers and his endorsement of conspiracy theories resulted in an 80% decline in X's value. His most notorious moment came when he faced legal battles over a misleading tweet about taking Tesla private. His mockery of gender pronouns and his support for Trump, not to mention the unconventional names of his children and his personal relationships, have all drawn media attention, sparking controversy. Fast forward to 2024, Musk's ownership of X has led to a shift towards more controversial and polarized content. One of his most controversial posts was when he endorsed an anti-Semitic conspiracy theory. This post, along with others promoting the Pizzagate conspiracy and backing questionable war accounts, have drawn criticism for their reckless tone and promotion of misinformation. Among the most divisive of his posts was a sarcastic jab at Taylor Swift, which sparked a backlash from fans and critics alike. These instances highlight Musk's role in enabling the unchecked spread of misinformation on social media, leading to concerns about the direction of the platform under his leadership. In summary, Musk's controversial posts have followed a pattern of endorsing conspiracy theories, making reckless statements, and promoting divisive content. His actions have led to an increase in hate speech on X, a decline in its value, and a shift towards more polarized content. These posts have drawn widespread criticism for their inflammatory nature and the dangers they pose in spreading misinformation. As the owner of X, Musk's actions have raised concerns about his role in shaping the discourse on social media, leading many to question the future of the platform. Thank you for watching Topics on Trend. Go ahead and check out another trending video on our channel here.